Hi guys, welcome back to another Roblox video. Today we are going to play K Autoform, which was made by K on his other account. She made to prank Ian that there's a hater. So let's join. Guys, all of you, which of you play this? No! Subscribe to K, subscribe. No! Subscribe. Subscribe to K. Ow! Oh, oh, look, I can jump on him. I did. I'm on him, I'm on him, I think. No. No. I'm on his leg. When he dances, I get on. Hey, yo, chill, I was on his butt cheeks. Ian takes the L. Okay, let's move.